happy birthday! Maligayang Pasko! How do you say happy birthday?
Maligayang kaarawan.
Oh, maligayang kaarawan! Lola
Conching.
Conching. I know her name.
Si Lola
Happy
Conching.
85th birthday, or how do you say that in Tagalog?
Oh, ikaw na, princess.
Okay. Maligayang kaarawan!
Next. Wait.
Hello, Mother. Happy birthday. God bless.
Going to eat tomorrow. They have party.
Can I come?
Can I go?
Mr. Lechon.
The lechon.
Can you give me a ticket? Yeah, can you give me lechon? Can you
Say
say
a party? Saan?
Sa ano?
Happy birthday! Ako nakita pa yung aking ano ba yan?
Okay. Here we go. Here's the one.
Ba't sila naka-on?
Hello, Mother! How are you doing today?
Call the video.
Happy 85th birthday. And the family mission. And gustong-gusto pa na niyang makita. So, in behalf of the Cardeños in Delaware, USA, we would like to greet you a happy 85th birthday. Mabuhay ka, Mother. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Go Pacquiao.
Go Pacquiao.